Hello everybody, welcome to another video. We've got a pretty exciting unboxing. Now this is a house cube, and I bought it because there is a sale on the Cubicle. So this is from the cubicle.us. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get this. Now there's 3 different types of house cubes. This is the House Cube 3, and the reason why, and also they give you a nice coin jar for here. But the reason why it's version 3 is because you got these 2 chimneys. Version 2 has only 1 chimney. Version 1 doesn't have any chimneys at all. So just a little bit of variation of that. So a little bit dry. You know, it's pretty dry. So pretty much, if you don't understand what this is, let me just grab out a few puzzles. We've got, of course, this one, Fisher Cube, and a 3x3. Now, if I turn one slice on a Fisher Cube here, you can see that it looks just like this. Except you've got these 2 pieces, and these 2 pieces are just these on another part of the Fisher Cube. And they've been, and you just take these out, put these in. So that's pretty much what the roof is. And then bottom 2 layers, just the 3x3, pretty much. So pretty interesting, but so solve must not be too difficult, but it's just fun that it's, you know, in the shape of a house, and that you're trying to solve in a house. So as you can see, we could just try to do a little checkerboard pattern. I'm ruining the house. There we go, very nice. It looks so cool though. This probably will be a pretty fun puzzle. Unless I accidentally scrambled it. Nope, I didn't. Good. So this will probably be a pretty simple puzzle, but you'll just have an issue right here, this center. So that might give you some parodies, but overall, I think it's gonna be a pretty fun 3x3 mod. And all you have to do is apply your Fisher Cube skills and your 3x3 skills. So that's all I have for today. Just really small unboxing. And the Cubicle link will be in the description. When I upload this, probably won't be on sale anymore. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.